Welcome to Module 3 of our course. In this module, we'll focus on evaluating your skills and abilities. Understanding your core competencies and identifying transferable skills from past experiences are crucial steps in aligning your capabilities with your aspirations. Let's begin by assessing your core competencies and skills. Core competencies and skills are the abilities and knowledge areas that you excel in or possess expertise in. Take some time to reflect on the skills you have developed through education, work experience, volunteer activities, and other areas of your life. Consider both technical skills, such as coding or graphic design, and soft skills, such as communication or leadership. You may find it useful to use self-assessment tools or to seek feedback from peers, mentors, or supervisors to identify your strengths accurately. Transferable skills are those skills that can be applied across different roles, industries, or contexts. Reflect on your past experiences and identify skills that you have gained and can transfer to new situations. For example, project management, problem solving, teamwork, and adaptability are often highly transferable skills. Recognizing your transferable skills can broaden your career options and increase your confidence in pursuing new opportunities. Consider skills that are in demand in your field or industry, as well as where you feel less confident or competent. Is there a skill in your industry that you're not that confident about, but you know how to do, but you feel like if you can develop it, it can take you to a whole nother level? Sometimes you have to set aside time for skill development. Setting aside time for skill development through courses, workshops, or self-directed learning can help you enhance your capabilities and stay competitive. Remember that skill development is an ongoing process, and investing in your growth can open up new opportunities for your personal and professional development. Evaluating your skills and abilities is a critical step in understanding your strengths and areas for improvement. By assessing your core competencies, identifying transferable skills, and recognizing areas for skill and development, you can better align your capabilities with your goals and aspirations. In the next module, we'll explore how to leverage your skills and abilities to pursue your passions and interests effectively. Thank you for your participation, and I encourage you to continue reflecting on your skills and abilities outside of this course. I will see you in Module 4.